okay. Thank you very much for the 59 measure report. Thank you very much for the 59. You are 5 and 7. 5 and 7 you report to the measure report and for Madagascar. My working condition is a transceiver rising DX10 and my antenna is only dipole antenna to 5 meters above the ground. A very good morning. Thank you.
5 Romeo 8 Bravo Mike in Madagascar.
For the first time, and measure report 5 and 7 for North Iceland. Kilowatt 2 whiskey. 5 Woodward Burmeister. You are thank you and goodbye. 7 merci beaucoup.
Echo Kilo.
Delta, I'm not copying call. Delta 9 something, Roger?
Delta Kilo 3, Echo Kilo.
Negative copy. Delta 9 only, therefore, Roger?
Delta Kilo 3, Echo Kilo. Hotel Charlie.
Okay, Delta Hotel 9, Delta Oscar 9, Hotel Charlie, 5 Woodward Burmeister. Thank you very much for calling back. You are 5 to the report. My name is Bernard, Bravo Echo, Radio November, Alpha Radio Delta, QTH, Mostly Bay Iceland, Madagascar, Delta Hotel 9, Oscar 9, Hotel Charlie, and 5 Radio Echo Bravo Mike. Have you copied this radio? Delta Oscar 9, Hotel Charlie, what's the frequency?
Echo Kilowatt.
Echo Kilowatt, did you call it? Echo Kilowatt, what is your code?
Delta Kilowatt 3, Echo Kilowatt. Name is Jochen. 5-8 here in Germany, over.
Okay, Delta Kilowatt 3, Echo Kilowatt, is the Roger?
Delta Kilowatt 3, Echo Kilowatt, over.
Okay, no problem. Delta Kilowatt number 3, Echo Kilowatt, 5 with you, Bravo Mike. So thank you very much for the calling back. Your report is at 5 and 7, 57. My name is Bernard, Bravo Echo, Radio November, Alpha Radio Delta, and it's QTH, Mostly Bay Iceland, Madagascar. Delta Kilowatt 3, Echo Kilowatt, 5 with you, Bravo Mike. Roger?
Yes, okay, my name is Jochen, 5758 here in North Bavaria, Germany, over.
Okay, we are getting 100% copy. Thank you very much for the 5 and 7, also 57, your report with me. Thank you very much for the QSO, best of it to you, as a particular to you, as a good yes on 10 meters band, and I am very, very pleased to you for the first time. Delta Kilowatt 3 Echo Kilowatt.
Merci beaucoup, thank you for calling. Dankeschön.
Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee.
Whiskey 4, give me your call. Whiskey 4 only, please, Roger?
Roger, Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee.
Whiskey 4 Echo Golf Yankee, 5 with Bravo Mike. Very good evening, very good morning to you. Good morning, thank you very much for calling back. Your report is at 5 and 7, 57. My name is Bernard, Bravo Echo, Radio November, Alpha Radio Delta, QTH, North Bay Iceland, Madagascar. Whiskey 4 Echo Golf Yankee, 5 Radio Echo Bravo Mike. Please, Roger?
Bernard, Roger, correction on the call sign. It's Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee, double Echo Yankee. The name is Gary, Golf Alpha Romeo Yankee, and the QTH is in South Carolina. QSL, Bernard?
Sure, Jerry, no problem. Correction for you code. Okay, Whiskey Echo Yankee, 5 with Bravo Mike. What is my phone for, Jerry? I'm not copying my phone report, Roger?
Roger. Sorry, you're 5 and 9. Name is Gary, Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee.
Okay, Jerry, 100%. Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee. Thank you very much for the 5 long measure report. Thank you very much for the nice contact. Best of it to you. Have a good morning to you. Have a good day, and I am very, very pleased to you for the first time. 5 and 7 measure report for you. Whiskey 4 Echo Yankee, 5 with goodbye. Merci beaucoup, Jerry. Thank you.
A bientôt, Bernard, 73.
Alpha Echo 0, Tango off for portable Texas.